Alright, we got a connection to something else here. I can't see over the bridge because the cement goes out like 5 inches. Oh, there we go. Holy shit. We got us a double barrel shotgun. Ho, 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 ho. Get out of here. A double barrel shotgun. This is gun number 2. How exciting is that? Woo! Woo! Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I wish my boy Jameson was here. I pulled this up with the Brute Battler. I'm not even using the Boss today because I don't know this area very well. Love it. This is going in the fun bucket, and we're going to keep throwing the magnet here.